Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll exactly show you how to download Bluestacks on Mac OS X. Okay guys, so now I'll start the video and I'll show you how to download it exactly. As I'm using a MacBook Pro 13 which was launched in mid 2012. Firstly, you have to go in this link in Google. The link is given in the description of this video. You have to go in this link and download the app player. Once you've downloaded the app player, you'll find this DMG file. You have to open this DMG file. Once it opens, you should go on this taskbar and press the go button and plus the application. You can press the shortcut key also. You have to drag this Bluestacks in this applications folder. I've already done it, so I won't be doing it again. So just to show you guys. Once it's done, close everything and eject this. Once you have done ejecting that thing, you can open this Bluestacks. I've already opened one for you guys, so you can find it in your applications over here by pressing the F4 key on my Mac Pro, or just pinching on the touchpad if you're using a Mac Pro. Once you click on this Bluestacks, this will be opening like this. So this is the Bluestacks for Mac OS X. This is the finest version you will get. It's running Android 4.4 KitKat at 4GB internal, 4GB external as designed by the developers. So this is very fast, very fluid, and it runs very phenomenally. It works very fast, it opens very quickly. You have the notifications bar over here once you go to the home. Okay guys, it's not working at the current time, but it will. Anyways, I've installed many apps on this, like social media apps like Instagram, Facebook, Gmail. Gmail's not inbuilt, you have to download it, ES File Explorer, and WhatsApp, YouTube, Twitter. You'll get the YouTube app inbuilt. You can surf videos like you surf in your PC, and it's very fast. You just have to download this thing. It's very nice, very fluid. I've downloaded the Nova launcher in this to personalize it and looking some very beautiful thing, because in the default app player you won't be getting this thing. You have to first adjust the settings for the default settings, which will be coming like this. This is the default setting of the Bluestacks. You have to enter your Gmail ID and manage your account in that. After that, it will be coming like this. This was the default screen of the Bluestacks when you first install it. You have to go in the search button and you have to download any launcher you like. I like the Nova launcher, so I've downloaded it. You can download it and you can search it in the Play Store. Yeah, here is the Nova launcher. You can download it and you can install it. So it's working very fast. I've used it many times and use it for WhatsApp particularly, and it runs very good. So that's all guys. If you liked it, then go ahead and download the Bluestacks app player. Like the video if you liked it in the real sense, and don't subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.